Saan ba nakasulat sa Bible yon na may pakialam si Lord sa akin? Kung tinatanong mo kung may pakialam ba si Lord sa'yo, sa problema mo, sa struggles mo, sa pain mo, sa lahat ng mga burdens, weaknesses, and yung mga pain and mga mahihirap na pinagdadaanan mo, here are some Bible verses to encourage you that yes, God cares about you. He is concerned about every little thing about your life. And I hope that after hearing and reading these verses, you will be encouraged to know God more. Kasi si Lord very interested in us. But sometimes tayo, hindi tayo masyadong interested in knowing Him. So this is from Luke chapter 12, verse 6 to 7. And the translation that I am using is the Passion Translation or TPT. What is the value of your soul to God? Could your worth be defined by any amount of money? God doesn't abandon or forget even the smallest sparrow He has made. How then could He forget or abandon you? What about the seemingly minor issues of your life? Do they matter to God? Of course they do. So you never need to worry, for you are more valuable to God than anything else in this world. Napakaganda at napakasarap pakinggan, and this is like God's love letter to us. Si Lord ang nagsasabi sa atin na, yes, I care about the minor issues of your life and I care about the major issues of your life. At sabi pa nga dito, you are more valuable to God than anything else in the world. Ganun tayo kahalaga. Ganun ka kahalaga at kaimportante kay Lord. At ganun kainteresado si Lord sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. It's very comforting to know na meron tayong Diyos na malapit sa atin, and He sees us, He knows us, He hears us, He feels us. He is a God who desires intimacy, fellowship, communion, relationship. At sobrang interesado si Lord sa'yo to the point na alam niya down to the smallest detail of your life, of your body parts, of your thoughts, of your emotions. He knows it all. So kung titingnan naman natin sa Tagalog, yung same verse na yun from Luke chapter 12, verse 7, sabi dito, pati nga yung mga buhok nyo sa ulo, alam niya kung ilan. Huwag kayong matakot, mas mahalaga kayo kaysa sa maraming maya. Wow! Imagine, bilang din ni Lord, even yung number ng buhok natin. And ini-imagine ko nga, no, ilan bang tao ang meron sa buong mundo? At bawat isa sa lahat ng mga tao na yon ay alam ni Lord. Alam niya kung ilan yung bilang ng buhok ng bawat tao. And this means na ganun ka involved si Lord sa atin, sa bawat isa sa